Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Although it is not an official product of the renowned carmaker, the idea of a 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Full Tour is an intriguing and very creative concept that embodies the perfect combination of automotive status and ultra-luxury mobile lifestyle. Such a car would serve as a tribute to what can be achieved when the highest level of custom craftsmanship and performance engineering are combined to provide an unparalleled, 5-star living on the road experience. The exterior of this fictitious Ferrari motorhome, which defies traditional RV aesthetics, would be the first stop on a thorough tour. One would anticipate seeing Ferrari's distinctive DNA in a much larger format. A sculptured, aerodynamic masterpiece with flowing lines, an aggressive front fascia, and a profile that suggests speed and power. This would not be a boxy car. A body made of cutting-edge, lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber would be covered in the recognizable Ferrari red or a custom metallic finish. The suspension would be an adaptable, racing-inspired system, guaranteeing a smooth and dynamic ride, and the wheels would be custom-forged, emulating the design of Ferrari's supercars. The car's presence would be both exquisite and forceful, perfectly capturing the brand's history. After then, the tour would enter, showcasing an extent of opulence and technological sophistication that explains the 5-star living label. The interior would be a custom haven, painstakingly designed to meet the owner's requirements. The living areas would be a simple yet extraordinarily luxurious tapestry of materials, including exotic wood veneers, polished carbon fiber accents, and hand-stitched leather from the best tanneries. With a large lounge, a cutting-edge entertainment system, and a gourmet kitchen that is subtly incorporated, the plan would be a masterclass in space utilization. A lavish master suite with a king-size bed, plenty of closet space, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom with marble or solid surface finishes would be all part of the full tour of the private quarters. Through expansive, panoramic windows that may use smart glass technology for on-demand privacy, the design would place a high priority on natural light and a link to the outside world. All interior operations, including lighting, climate control, built-in sound, and security features, would be managed by a smart home automation system that could be operated with a tablet or voice command. Performance: a prancing horse's heart. The powertrain, a crucial element that would set this motorhome apart from all others, would also be discussed throughout the visit. One may see a potent, hybridized V12 engine or a custom electric powertrain that produces enormous horsepower and torque, guaranteeing smooth cruising and an unexpectedly dramatic driving experience, but specifics would be conjectural. With a fully digital dashboard, a race-inspired steering wheel, and all the cutting-edge driver assistance features one would anticipate from a contemporary premium car, the driver's cockpit would be an ergonomic design exercise. What a recreational vehicle can be is essentially redefined by the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome concept. It's more than simply a vehicle. It's a mobile work of art, a rolling extension of the Ferrari brand that offers a life of unadulterated elegance and adventure by fusing unmatched luxury, stunning beauty, and the exhilarating heart of a prancing horse.